Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at Luna, the renewed or the new Luna, and discuss what you can expect from it. Right, let me just do it on trading view instead of that. I've already done a chart here. Yep, cool. So yeah, it's really interesting, right? A lot of altcoins have liquidity either to the bottom or to the top, but for Luna, you can see there's an equal high formed here. So there is a liquidity, there's quite a bit of liquidity resting above 2.8. So I feel like a run up to 2.8 is plausible. Now, that said, I do want to explore the possibility of a triple tap setup where if you do not know what a triple tap setup is, please make sure to go ahead and watch. I think it was not sure. There's a video on my YouTube channel where I explain a triple tap setup is, or if you joined my Telegram group, I also explain what a triple tap setup is. But before we get into the details, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated with the hottest trends in crypto market, make sure to also click on this bell icon. Right, you can give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangyako with a 0 at the end. Click this link here or this here. It'll take you to my Telegram group where I post my thoughts on why I'm taking this trade, or like how I analyze a particular coin and take trades. So back to the triple tap setup, right? In this group, I posted a setup today. Yeah, in this one, this is a video where I explain what a triple tap setup is. And you can see here, triple tap setup basically consists of a range low formation, and then there's a deviation below the low, this formed low, and then finally the price retests this low for the third time, and then it rallies quite a bit. As you can see here for ENJ, the price, the triple tap setup did pretty interesting if you caught this, but unfortunately I did not. So basically my whole point of explaining that is there is liquidity above $2.8, and then there's also liquidity above here where the price tagged the $3.5 thrice. So this is really interesting, right? And since the bottom here on the 8th of June at roughly $1.94, the price has, so basically this is a very huge deviation that's happening right now. Hold up, where'd it go? Yep. So what we have here is a range low formation, and then there's a range low deviation, and then there's a final retest of the formed arrow, basically. So this is what I'm expecting, right? Now, sometimes there is a chance where the price does not fully retest the third time and it continues to rally from where it is. So I feel like that's what's happening here for Luna, but I am still like, if I want to take this trade, what I would do is I would just wait for the price to, dip below these lows around roughly 2.01. I think once we get a sweep of this level here, it would basically be my buy signal, and I would long this up to this level here at $2.8. Now, this is a pretty interesting trade because if you look at it from a risk to reward ratio, you are looking at, now technically speaking, it makes sense for me to keep a stop loss just below this third retest here. But if you want to, you could probably place it here, 1.906. So let's just change it to 1.9, the whole number. Right, so it comes up to this point, but if you want, you can also place it over here just to be sure. Now, either way, this is 11%. If the trade goes against you, you're losing 11%, and there is a 38% upswing opportunity, and that is just the first target. But if you look at the equal highs formed here, you look at this gives you a 3.33 hour trade. And if you look at this one here, it's giving you a 6.34 hour trade. So basically for every $1 you lose, I mean, if you lose $1, the reward you're getting is $6. So basically it's a pretty solid trade. But the only thing is that the price needs that oomph or that volatility to rally higher. And then the second thing is you have to confirm with what Bitcoin's doing. If things are looking pretty good for Bitcoin, then I think it makes sense to long Luna here. So yeah, that pretty much concludes my take on Luna. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.